Now this is the another repair.
Oh, jeez.
I don't have to say a whole lot about this. No nails are installed here. They just kind of stuck it over the top of here and said the hell with it.
The other one was the plumber, this one's the
electrician.
Sometimes you get on a roof and you see some of the worst installs that you've ever seen. The people who own my Airbnb that I'm staying at ask me, since I'm a roofing contractor by trade, if I could go up on their roof and check it out because they have some active leaks.
You go on vacation and you get a job.
Yeah,
You gotta love that.
That's a good job, yeah.
If you're a roofing contractor, you already know what's wrong here. And guys, this isn't the only one. I'm gonna show you these boots here. Now, if you're someone new to the industry and you're learning how to properly install vents and boots,
This would not be the way to
no.
go.
This
Yeah.
is not your
So now
tutorial.
you know.
Absolutely not.
and so what they've done, they've caulked all around it, or they use some kind of tar below here and put these on, and then cut these out. Then obviously you can see the adhesive there that's really old and the sealant. Now this is the another repair that they
I want
made
to see what
before.
this one is.
I
Oh,
don't have to say a
jeez.
whole lot about this. At least they
At least they put it underneath
Yeah.
a little bit.
A little bit.
It should be a couple courses down.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right in this area, it's just, you know, here, obviously you can tell it's new compared to the age of the roof. No nails are installed here. They just kind of stuck it over the top of here and said the hell with it.
I mean, it looks like a fairly new roof too.
Yeah, right.
So
Yeah.
I mean, like they must have been just installed all that stuff incorrectly
Yeah.
recently.
Yeah, absolutely.
Could have been like the plumber or, you know, at some point later
Come
down the
back after
line.
the fact, yeah.
That we
Yeah.
see
Maybe
that a
put the
lot.
pipe in
all the
afterwards.
time.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
my gosh.
With a bunch of tar or
Right.
mastic or
Right.
something around there, some sealant, roofer in a can. What's that one? The spray one.
Flex seal.
Flex seal.
Yeah.
Right.
That's the good stuff right there. Every professional uses that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's when you hear, oh, like, we fixed the leak a couple years back, but it came back, like, you know, 2 years
Exactly.
later. Next time it rained.
Yeah, there's a reason why they're a plumber, not a roofer.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
exactly
yeah,
what
it
that is.
lasted as long as it wasn't raining.
Yeah,
Yeah,
repair.
exactly.
Good repair.
yeah. It's good in the dry season.
Any type of precipitation is going right through there. So, I don't even know what all they try to do here.
The other one was the plumber, this one's the
Yeah.
Yeah,
electrician.
they're like,
And there's just the cheap boots, right? They're
Yeah.
plastic rubber boots, not the solid galvanized flashings that we use. I mean,
Yeah.
jeez.
The California sun will eat it up,
Yeah.
and then once that's like super disintegrated, you could try to reseal it, but you're not sealing to
Yeah.
anything. It's holding on to like a big gap.
Yeah.
but hey,
And Home
adhesive
Depot,
solves everything.
I mean,
Yeah.
Just go to Home Depot and a can. That's
Yeah.
exactly what that is.
And then those flashings we get from Home Depot are good, right? Professional.
Oh, yeah, for sure.